Awesome. I'm trying to shoot my sister and my mom secretly with this gun that I got for my birthday right here. And let's go. So make sure to like and subscribe so you don't get cooked. What? Bro, my mom wants me to let my sister. No, my sister has the door closed. I'm just gonna go get my mom first and hope she comes out after. So let's go. Hello. Oh. Hi. Okay, so I think she saw me, but. Secretly get my sister. Oh, it's open. Let's go. I don't think she's gonna use the guns. So, like, whatever I get her. Okay. Okay, that was so funny. I got the reactions. My mom was, ah! My sister was like, ah! I just heard her say, why is there a bullet right here? I thought you would know that she got shot. Okay, thanks for watching the awesome. Make sure to subscribe.